Hello friends, welcome to Career Launcher Tuitions. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting thing for board exams. So the board exams are coming near. I am sure class 10 students, they're feeling the pressure, especially in maths, which is a subject we all have feared and hated at some point of our lives, and some of us are lucky ones who really love maths. But for most of us, the preparation for maths is really important. So what we are doing is, for the students, for the last minute preparation, last 2 months preparation, we are launching a crash course. It is focused on maths, but I should say maths and science. What we are doing is, we will teach you in 50 sessions, each session around 1.5 hours, on maths and science in a very focused, very structured course, which ends up in successful outcomes for your board exams. And along with teaching, we will also ensure enough practice. So we are going to give you 5 periodic tests which will measure your progress and 2 mock tests. And these tests will be taken in the classroom in front of the teacher. You take the test in the exam environment and the teachers will correct your papers and share feedback as well, so that when you are writing your board exams, it would feel that it is the 3rd exam or the 4th exam. It is not the exam you're appearing for the first time. So that would take the anxiety or the ineffectiveness out of your system. It would definitely improve your scores. More importantly, it will improve your mindset for the preparation part. Now, some interesting things about the course. We will use the past year's papers which are topic wise. So Career Launcher has books of past year's papers, properly solved, arranged chapter wise and topic wise. Then we have interesting sample papers. So you would be taken through the analysis of past year's papers so that you understand better which chapter, which topic is more important, should be devoted more time to, and in which chapter, which topic you can probably skip a few parts but focus on the clear important parts which actually come in the exam. And you can also identify in which parts more of the students make mistakes, so that you are able to prepare better, avoid those mistakes. Our teachers, our experts are going to ensure that as well. The courses would be launched in November. Obviously, the centers across the country, each of them will actually have their own timings basis the need of the students in their cities and the exact date of launch as well. But across the country, the courses would be launched in November. The academic plan, the session plan would be the same, very structured one, so that the academic delivery is very standard, very exam focused. I would say very result oriented. It would be for maths as well as science. And with that, you'd also be provided a comprehensive study material so that you can practice those questions, understand the theories from those books, as well as by being taught by the teachers, and prepare your best for the exam. So all the best, friends. See you at the centers.
Career Launcher. Make your parents explode with joy.